I swore I saw something in this bin with the bags on there. Right there on the tap. Took a radio from work. Oops. Leave that behind. Well, let's see if I'm gonna have room for this or not. Gotta move some junk around. This one up front. Yeah, I'm just gonna take the water heater, folks. I'm not gonna take this other stuff. Brother, come on. Oh, that's not gonna work. Get it up here and like so. Yeah, I know, if I didn't have the seats in here, blah, blah, blah. How heavy is it? Ah, it's not that bad. Got some copper on the top. Yeah, I don't want this. But I might take that and that if I can fit it. And this is relatively... I just came down this street here. Saw that stuff. I want to put this in here. Yeah, I had to redo this. So I didn't like the other thing too much. So... should be able to ride it up over the top of this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Careful there, Chubby. All right, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna move the van up. Hopefully nothing comes flying out. I'll put this in afterwards. Set this over here. It's gonna be easier to move the van up. All right, let's try that. I'm not close enough yet. That should be close enough. Come on. All right. We'll get that after we get it up. A little bit. All right. Come on. You know you want to go up over the top, just like that. I'd call that in. How about you? Now, let's close this so it don't come out. Now, let's see if I can get that in over here. It's like it might be. Okay, I should have. So I jacked this. This is steel. It's not stainless. You pretty much tell by looking at it, looks galvanized. But, yeah, this should sit right here. Well, I thought it would sit right there. How about yeah, it'll work. And then this can kind of just lay down back here, I think. Yep. There we go. And of course, there's the garbage man. Yeah, this isn't all that heavy. Come on, baby. Come on, she's. Alright. It's a problem here. There we go. Just get it up over there. Over that. Come on. On that stupid shelf. There we go. There we go. Look at that. All right. Yeah, that's pretty much all plastic. That thing there. Well, folks, thank you so much. A nice little stop. I don't see a sign on it that says it works. So I'm gonna take the cord. That's all I want. I got to, yeah, that's all plastic anyways. For the love of God. It's all plastic. Get in the bag. And I got my cord to it right here. All right. And away we go. Another cord, folks. Yeah, I can't take these. A, I don't have the room, and B, they are, come on. They are, they get dropped off at the yard, but in a special spot. So, ouch, off the cord there, Chibi. So, I want to talk to you about the van and about the trucks I've been looking at and all that stuff. That first truck, that white Ford that I showed you in the van, one of the few videos there, never got a call back on it, nothing. So I gave up on that. Then I saw that blue Dodge I told you about, the 99 Dodge Dakota. I mean, it was beautiful. That my favorite color, blue, but that's beside the point. It only had 99,000 miles on it. Oh, there's a full chair right there. Here, I'll just move up here. Yeah, 99,000 miles according to the advertisement. So, and he wanted $2,400 for that. I thought, you know what? I could do a heck of a lot worse than that. So I called him up. Now he advertised it as being in the town, the city next one over, Kenosha. Well, wait a minute. I might be seeing things, but wait a minute. Please. Or is that just wood? That's what you call fool's copper. Fool's copper. Oh, but there's another full chair right there. Yep, so, well, anyway, I call him, and he says, yeah, I'm down in Chicago. No, I'm not driving to Chicago. Hey, I'll take that too. I'll get that. I'm not driving to Chicago on a possibility. That's too far away. I mean, way too far away. So, talked it over with the wife. Oh, come on. Yeah, we'll take that. So, the seats in this thing. I brainstormed and brainstormed and brainstormed and thought, Fatty, how can you get those out? Well, they have to be held in by nuts and bolts, I would say, at somewhere at the bottom level. So I came up with an idea. Oh man, looks like there might be some more stuff up here. Could we be hitting on, because it's very nice out today, folks. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. I see some wire right there, and I see maybe something over there. I can't tell through my makeshift window, but we'll go get that wire first. But I got an idea how to get that out of there. I don't... Okay. It sounds like a... We got birds here that sound like babies screaming. Hear that? Was this a ceiling fan, maybe? Oh no, a trolling motor. We'll take that. Got some healthy copper wire right there. There we go. Very nice. I should have looked a little harder in that bin, but I want to go to... Oh, that doesn't look like metal at all. Yeah, it's gorgeous, huh? I mean, gee whiz. Been waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting for this. Yeah, this is gonna be some thick wire though right here. That might be brass right there on the end. So I'm gonna take this and chuck it up in the front. Let's take a step over here and look. I don't think any of that's metal. Oh, look at that. That's just flailing around in the wind. Food stuff. Plastic. Yeah. Nope, just a bottle. Okay. Well, that's not bad. Trolling motor piece. Some wire. So yeah, got an idea how to get the seats out. Yeah, right over there. But it's going to be something different, and I will not be putting it on video. Awesome. Look at this. Some brake rotors, 3-foot steel, cast aluminum, a radiator. I'm in love. You know what? That'll make 4 brake rotors I got. Oh, baby. These are heavy. Taking our time. Taking our time, right? Will you lean? Yeah, you'll lean right there for a moment. I got my other ones in here. They're kind of buried, but we'll put them up here. Now, when I go to the scrapyard, I don't have enough like this stuff here. I don't have enough of this to bother weighing just that. So that's gonna go probably, I don't know, but that axle that's in here, that's gonna go out. There's a pile for that somewhere. But maybe I take that and put it in the garage. What a wonderful day so far. How about that? Look, and this thing's this is just already stripped down. It's not that heavy, but this is no doubt cast. You're probably saying, well, what difference does that make? You just throw it on a short pile anyways. Oh, man. Look at that on there, right? Got a nice load going. Yeah, I'll get the copper and brass off of that water heater. You know what? Before I skedaddle, I want to go check the bins. This guy right here, this house, is not a lot, but consistently giving me stuff like that. One time I found a wonderful mess of copper. Oh, I should have left that one alone. Okay, we're far enough away. Yeah, one time I got just a nice bunch of number one Bear Bright wire out of his garbage bin. Thought I saw some wire in that bin right there. I could be seeing things, but it looks like wire to me. Is there something else in there? Oh, it's a wire to this. What is this? No, this is a wire to this. But I don't want that. I don't want the leaves. Come on. Okay. You're kind of in the way. I don't want to spill a bunch of junk on the ground. All right, I'm gonna go get my cutters. Yeah, it's gorgeous out, folks. I'm so happy. All right, let's see. Where are you at? Okay, that's one end of it. There's an end. Come on. All right. And what's this? All right, that's all of it right there. Yeah, I got a car coming. That's a nice hunky piece of wire right there. Let's get off to the side here. That's probably, I don't know the current price of wire, but it's about 2 pounds of it right there. Now is this, oh, that's plastic as well, okay. Put that back the way it was. There we go. Yeah, that's a couple pounds of wire right there. It's pretty nice. Hey, doggy Birkin. Come on. Ah, brother. You're losing it, chubby. There we go. I can't believe how much stuff I'm finding today. This is just one little township. I mean, a very little township. Let's see, get past all that stuff into the tote. There we go. I know you can't see the tote, but trust me, it's there. I swore I saw something in this bin with the bags on there. Right there on the top. Oh yeah, we're gonna get that. We're gonna get dirt. Some more heavy steel. Nice. Hey, come here. Yeah, I was going in the other direction. I was going down this way to make my turn to the right. I saw it through my makeshift window. I think there's only one, but that's okay. I'll take one of them. Very nice. This is turning out to be just a very nice day of scrapping. I don't know. Is there one in the back? Nope. Okay. Yeah, no digging there, fatty. So, why? I don't know your name, just why? Suggested that I need to dig deeper into the dumpsters because all the good scrap falls to the bottom. Well, come on. I was in work clothes, ma'am. In fact, I'm in work clothes today. I don't know if you can see it. It's my work outside, my vest, my shirt, my guard shirt, pants. Thank you, folks, for that heavy steel. And when I went dumpster picking, I was wearing my yard coat, my big bright yellow yard coat. Yeah, I'm not digging around in the dumpster. If it's on top, I'll grab it. But I'm not digging and digging and digging. All right, folks. There was a section of Racine I could run today, but before I left work, well, actually last night when I first got in, the young lady that worked second shift, she said her father had a heart attack and that she might not be coming in today, which means my boss and I would end up working 12-hour shifts, which is fine. If I have to, I have to. It's more money for me. And I hope her dad's doing okay. But as a result of that, with the possibility of having to work at 12, I'm foregoing the Racine part of this day because, let's face it, in 35 minutes time, I found all this wonderful junk. So even if I work at 12 tonight, 12 or 8, either way, tomorrow morning, we're back out looking, right? So stay tuned. Now here's a way to start our Tuesday. Oh, it's wood. That's all wood. I thought it was metal. Nope. So we're not starting our Tuesday morning with something like that. I hope this is metal. It looked rusty. Oh yeah, there's some metal in there. Right there. Right here. Okay, let's move this up. Yeah, I should have backed the van a little closer, but I wasn't sure what it was that I was looking at. Nothing come out? Sweet. So it is once again another glorious morning. So a little chiller than it was yesterday, but the sun is shining. And it's going to warm up eventually. I don't know what that is. I got that. Oh, shoot. Okay. Let's get this stuff up there. There's some more pipe in there, too. Yeah, no, you don't. Okay, this wants to come out and play. I don't want it to. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make my way to the scrapyard. Work tonight, I'm off the next 2 days. So I'll get to the scrapyard during that time. Oh, this is nice heavy stuff. Oh, it's got the, oh man. I'm gonna start filling up those stovepipes. So I'm going to run this, and then I'm going to run part of Racine before I go home. I'm once again in uniform from work. All right. I think that's all that's in here for steel. Oh, that's good enough. I like it. Yeah, come on. Yeah. See if there's anything in this little bitty one. Nope. Nope. And nope. All right. Well, thank you, folks. I appreciate the gift. Wow, that's a lot of Well, it's shred, so it can go. Just gotta keep it together. And not let it get uncontainable like it just did. Come on. There we go. Just kind of cram it up in there. You're gonna bend, or not. Why don't you want to cooperate with me? Because you're the old fake guy and you don't deserve cooperation. Get up in there. All right, but it's buried. Oh, wait a minute. Look at this. I want the keyboard. I want the books. I like garbage. Bunch of wire in here, though. Money 99. What's this? Drivers for the printer. Huh. Yep. Yeah, I don't want the software. Yep. Got a bunch of wire right there. Take that. And I'll come back and get that fan. Oh, look at that Windows 98. Boy, that is old, huh? Maybe I can get the fan right now. Okay. Wait a minute. Oh, I see a... What is that? There might be a full chair in there, too. Whoa. This street is on an incline, so it goes downhill. You know, Chubby just about tipped over. Now, let's see. Put that there. Okay. We're farting around here and I don't need to be. That's good. I might have to take this and put it in on the side. Or not. It's a lot of work to get that off of there. Yep, don't want the plastic. Take as little of it as possible. You stay there. I'll put this on the side and go get my cutters. Oh, jeez. There we go again. Hee hee hee. Yeah, I can't put this stuff in the cord tote until I cut those ends off. But I'm not gonna stand here and do that right now. Should be good right there. Did you hear that? It's chilly out right now, but it is the right time of year for the appearance of the barking spider. Okay. Keep that out of the way. This is giant. This thing. Okay, just sit up there a second. And you look. Oh, it's. Why? That's a bag of cat litter, folks, with specialties in it. I need that out of the way to get this out. Now I don't want the bag that it came in. I just want this. Oh, is that a stove piece? Yeah, look at that stove cast. Right there. Look at that. Is there more? Yeah, I don't want to go digging around in there too much because of you know what. All right, well, that's good enough. I mean, that was a nice little stop. Got a fan, got some cords, and this beast needs to stay in one piece like so I can get it in the van. Some cast. How about that? Not bad. That water tower right there has been here forever. I used to have a, oh brother, years ago I had a girlfriend that lived over in this neighborhood. We used to go hang out by the water tower there. That's it. Yeah. Pack it in tight. There we go. Chuck that cast in here. Yeah, there should have been 4, but I'll take 3. We're just gonna fill that hole up right there. All right. Cutters and wire. Or a cord on the other side. Well, yesterday was really good. I mean, I'm happy with everything I found, but so far today is pretty good too. And I got a lot of area to check yet. So we're gonna get to it. I spotted another fan, but this has got a lot of plastic, so I'm not farting around with it. It's getting late in the morning and I'm tired, so I'm just gonna grab the cord. Somebody else can grab the rest of it if they want it. And I got the hiccups. There's a little metal hanging out in the corner right there. Yep. Not much, but let's see if there's anything else. Nope, just garbage. What about in here? Nope. I have no need for that stuff. All right, a little more metal. We take it all. Come on. Let's see if I can see this thing's weight. That's good enough. Woo! All right, folks. That's gonna do it for this video. I hope you had a good time. I did. Really good time. Good couple of days of scrapping. Nice weather, sunshine. Woo-hoo! My love to all of you, each and every one of you. I appreciate you coming along for the ride. And I appreciate all the new subs that I've gotten. That is so cool. And the comments, yes. And watching out for traffic here. So I'm gonna make a turn to go that way. Oh. All right. Everyone, have a safe, loved, awesome, wonderful day.
Are you really an expert on absolute rubbish?